hold anything back, even though he's losing partners at the other end.
Bobby, good bowling. Good bowling.
Mule was the last man to be dismissed, and what a big wicket that was. Charu, the man who scored a century in the previous innings, had scored a couple of half centuries before that. It hit his pads and then went off to hit the stumps. They know that it is perhaps the most important wicket of Veer Marathi's innings.
Good bowling, good bowling. Superb, superb. Get him, get him. Great work, Sachin. Bowling, Bobby, bowling, come on.
We've seen them through the tournament, Charu. Do they have the batting to post a decent total now that Siddhant Mule, the star batsman, is already back in the hut? That's not too optimistic if you are a Veer Marathi fan.
Bowling, Bobby.
Who is the call? He'll have to run hard to get there eventually because the fielder did not collect the ball cleanly. And now I think with Ritesh Deshmukh still in, batting well on 33 of 24 balls, others need to just play along, play second fiddle, give him the strike.
Wait. Come on, Bobby. Bowling, yes. Lovely, Bobby. Good bowling, Bobby, come on.
Deshmukh is struggling. Obviously, he's got an injury or something. That's why he's got a runner in.
Oh, was that?
And the finger goes up. Another wicket. Another man bites the dust. Gudwalkar is the man this time. Look at the joy. 52 for 4 after 9 overs. Veer Marathis are falling apart.